Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pork nuggets at home. First, gather your ingredients like fresh pork, breading, and seasonings. Next, cut the pork into uniform, bite-sized pieces. Then, prepare a simple 3-step breading station. Finally, cook the nuggets until they are golden and crispy. This guide will walk you through each step for perfect results. To start, choose a lean cut of pork such as pork loin or tenderloin for the best texture. Carefully trim away any excess fat or silver skin from the meat. Then, cut the pork into uniform 1-inch cubes. This ensures they cook evenly. Remember to pat the pork pieces thoroughly dry with paper towels before moving on to the next step. Now let's set up your breading station. You'll need 3 separate bowls. One for all-purpose flour, one for beaten eggs, and one for your favorite breadcrumbs. Don't forget to season both the flour and breadcrumbs generously for extra flavor. Dredge each pork piece first in flour, then dip it in the egg, and finally coat it completely in the breadcrumbs, ensuring an even layer. It's time to cook your delicious nuggets. Heat your cooking oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the breaded pork pieces into the hot oil and fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Once done, remove them and drain any excess oil on a wire rack. Serve them hot with your favorite dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.